I'm Henry Chivers, the Solution Sales Manager at Domino Printing. Lowering your operating costs is an important factor towards improving your profitability. However, manufacturers do not want to compromise on quality or line speed. TIJ technology can provide high resolution at high speed with low operating costs compared with TTO. For example, this can represent over 50% potential cost savings for manufacturers with 1 to 2 production lines printing 2 lines of code at a speed of 60 to 70 products per minute. The small footprint of the Domino GX series range with its remote control mounting allows for easy integration into your production line. For the right application, replacing your TTO for Domino's thermal inkjet printing technology and Domino's specialist inks provides a continuous improvement and sustainability solution. TIJ provides significant and immediate benefits in production efficiencies, waste reduction, and reduced operating costs. To discuss your requirements further, please contact Domino.